In our birthday list off with Sage Avery Matthews celebrating a second birthday, and what a marvelous picture. Sage Avery, a wonderful birthday wish to you in Cherryvale.
All right.
That's a great smile right there.
Yeah, what a cutie there. All right, Kailyn Nesbitt is 7 strong this year. Look how sharp he looks in that suit.
Kailyn, if you have time, and that, look, I know school's got you busy and whatnot, but if you have time, can come by, maybe give me a wardrobe tip or two, I'd greatly appreciate it, because you are a sharp-dressed dude right there.
You might have to set up something online to do that, because as I understand, he's a former Oswego resident that recently moved to California.
Well, I saw he was in California. I just figured that was California, Missouri, right? California Pintos.
There you go.
You know where that is?
No.
Mid-Missouri is the only place where Mexico is north of California.
There you go.
Yeah, that's true. Only in mid-Missouri. Braelyn DuVall, a happy 8th birthday. Marvelous picture and a great-looking cake. Happy 8th to Braelyn in Girard.
Yeah, that cupcake cake looks awesome. And Dexter Morgan is 9 years old this year. Happy birthday, Dexter, celebrating in Chetopa.
That's it. Look at that spread right there.
Space Jam.
That's something else. We're on to double digits as Camry Neville is celebrating her big 10th birthday. Camry, have a great day. She's on her way to school in Arma.
I love that picture. That's a great picture there. Kailyn Bonn is celebrating birthday number 14 in Humboldt. She's got some talkative friends there on her shoulders.
That's a Kailyn, I tell you what, I give you credit for standing still while that picture was taken. That's awesome.
I'm wondering if they're like giving her like differing opinions, like advice, like no, do this. No.
That is too cool right there.
You got the good one and the bad one on either shoulder.
Kelly McCully, a happy 40th birthday to Miss Kelly. She's celebrating in Frontenac.
All right. Brian and Susan Natalini are celebrating their 37th anniversary this year. Congratulations to the Natalinis in Columbus.
You want to read the note?
I guess we have an extra thank you for Susie. She is the one that sends a lot of birthdays and anniversaries in for folks in the Columbus area. Yeah. And you can find Brian at the Napa store in Columbus.
Brian and Susie, known you guys for a long time. Congratulations. That's awesome. And we appreciate everything that you do. And yeah, Susie, thank you for sending in all those birthdays. You're awesome at that. We got a special one in Walker, Missouri right here. Miss Frances Lonkerich. She is celebrating her 100th birthday today. Miss Frances, from all of us here at KOAM, a very, very happy birthday to you, ma'am. And once again, she is in Walker. Everybody in the town of Walker, I want you to socially distance and go tell Miss Frances happy, happy birthday.
All right. And here's a Columbus birthday, where we like to say the party's in the bus. Charlie Norris, hope you have a great one today.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this September the 7th. Here's where you can send them in to. You can go to birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also log on to our website. That's KOAMNewsNow.com. And now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.